So welcome back to my channel, my viewers and my subscribers. I am just here today and I am planning to give you guys a garden update. So first thing that I am starting with today, guys, before I started to giving you guys the garden update, I am starting with my birds. So I am going to feed them. They really need some feed now. So I need to go ahead and I'm just giving you guys an update on the birds as well before I started in the garden. So they really need some feed. So I am just going ahead, place some feed in, like that, right there. Feed right there. So that's my beautiful white-winged bird, guys. And that's our white-crowned pigeon right there, otherwise known as ball plate. And you guys can see some more up there. So they are going to come down and start to eat. So welcome back now, my viewers, to my channel.